Hello and welcome back to another oil painting tutorial. In this video, we are going to paint a waterscape with a boat at the center of it. This painting is going to be all about perspective from the farther distance to the nearer. To start with the painting, I have prepared the panel. This is a MDF panel. I have coated this with gesso and then made a basic sketch with mechanical pencil. So let's get started. As usual, let's start with the farthest point, which is the sky. And I have mixed in titanium white along with yellow ochre and very little, tiny bit of ivory black, just to give that bit of darkness which is formed because of the clouds. It is a cloudy day, bit of sunshine, but not very bright. Scattered clouds, in fact, so you'll not be able to see cloud formation. I'm using a size 0 round brush from one of the local brand here. I picked this up from the local art store. I forgot to mention that when I have applied the gesso on the panel, I have added a little bit of burnt umber to it to give this kind of brownish shade. You may not like it, but I definitely prefer having the background with a bit of tone instead of pure white. Let's add in some French ultramarine to the same mixture to mimic the sky. Whatever little the sky could be seen through the clouds. I have mixed in burnt sienna, alizarin crimson, a bit of ivory black, and then titanium white. It is mostly burnt sienna and alizarin crimson. We have to make sure that the colors from the farthest point in our painting should not be very vibrant and contrasting to give it that atmospheric depth look. Also, one more tip is that we should never make the edges, very crisp, and it should be a little softer. This is the first time I'm painting any kind of architecture other than the hut, which I had done in one of my last paintings. But when it comes to the buildings, this is the first time I'm doing, and I'm learning as I go. For the wall of this building, I have mixed cobalt blue along with titanium white and a tiny bit of French ultramarine. And the reason this color is so vibrant is because the sunlight is directly hitting on this building from the left side, and wherever sunlight directly hits, the color becomes very vibrant. And within painting, whatever you're trying to express has to be with the tone of the color. Again, I'm using the same round brush, the cheap one from the local art store, because I'm most comfortable with this brush. I have the flat brushes, the artistic or for fine detail, like this one. For instance, I could very well use this. It depends whatever brush I'm comfortable with. So don't worry about buying costly brushes. As long as you're comfortable with one, you can stick to that. And wherever needed for fine lines, I use this size 40 fine art brush. So to this part of the wall, I've added alizarin crimson and burnt sienna along with some titanium white. And to the roof here, I've mixed in some more titanium white and a little bit of yellow ochre. This particular side of the building will have a bit of shadow. That is the reason we add in some ivory black to the mixture to make it tone down a bit. It's a bit tricky to get straight lines unless you use a ruler, but it's fine. You can try your best to make the lines as straight as possible. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you like the video. Because the reflection has to be a bit darker from the reference. Let us say the color from this wall is getting reflected onto the water. So I have mixed in the same color from the wall, which is cobalt blue, titanium white, and a little bit of ivory black. But then I have mixed in only a tiny bit of sap green to it. So you get this kind of color, which should be ideally a bit darker from the source. That is the source of reflection, but it should also have a kind of green tinge to it because this is water.
In this faulty game, and all the words you speak mean nothing more to me, 'cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
Please share your valuable feedback in the comment box below. That will definitely help me make better videos in future.
Show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true. we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. Yeah, we're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. We've both been there before. When the love shuts the door, it's a losing game. It's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all. It makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right. It feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we're meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side. I need you by my side.
Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and click on this video if you'd like to watch a landscape painting.